Hi everyone, this week on the Roars for All channel I'll be showing you how I turn this cheap paint set into perfectly usable airbrush paint. All you need is everything on this table right here, which can be bought for under 10 bucks. As you see here, you can get really good results for a fraction of what the brand name paint would cost. When buying a paint set, make sure to get the acrylic paint that's made on a water base, which means that it can be thinned down with just water. The process is easy, but I'll share a couple tips on how to get the right consistency. I'll start off by putting a little water in this bottle I got on AliExpress. Most of the time a ratio of 40% water to 60% paint is perfect, although that ratio can be different for other brands of paint. If you want to buy the same bottles or the mixing beads I'm adding here, you can click the links in the description. This big tube here is a metallic paint, so I'll give it a good shake to mix up all the glitter, and then I'll add a good amount to our mixing bottle. There's no point in measuring, so we'll estimate by sight, so we approach that 60 to 40% ratio. This will get us close to the right thickness, and we can fine tune it by using a couple tests. Our first test is to see if the paint is too thin. After mixing, the paint should stick to the insides of the bottle or run down very slowly. As you see here, it runs down immediately, which tells us we need to add more paint. It's hard to see on the silver, so here's the same problem on a bottle of purple paint. I'll give a quick demonstration on some wood. You'll see that our paint is pretty much see-through, and you'll also have a bigger chance of getting paint runs. Your paint will have a higher drying time, and you'll need to add more layers to get full coverage. I added more paint until our mix passes the first test, like you see here. The paint sticks to the sides, but will settle down after a minute. When spraying it, you can see the paint gives perfect coverage after one or two passes, and even after disturbing it, it does not run down. For the sake of this video, I made the paint too thick to show what effect that has when sprayed out of the airbrush, and in extreme cases the paint will sputter out and the tool will be clogged, which of course can be cleaned out, and when the paint is slightly too thick, you will get a little splat every now and again, like you see here. All you need to do to fix this is to add a little more water until the airbrush stops spitting. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments down below. And with all that said, thanks for watching.